Hey everybody, Kim from KB Tech Ed here. Today we're going to look at using iMovie on your phone or your iPad. When you open iMovie, you'll see all of your projects in the projects library. You can tap the plus on the top left to create a new movie. You'll either get a movie or a trailer. I usually choose movie. In here, you can choose any of the pictures you want to use, or if you already know a video you want to use, or you can go ahead and just say create movie. Now that you've got a blank movie, you are all set up. Here are the things, and in case you can't see this, I'm going to close this for you. It may look like this. You can hit that plus sign and you'll get this menu over here. You can add your photos or your videos. If you tap and change to audio, you then can add all of your audio files. We'll go into that in another video, so be sure to check that out. To change the name of my movie, I'm going to say done. And right here where it says my movie, it may have a number after it or not, I can tap on the X and all of that text will go away. And I can name this and hit return. To edit the movie and go back in to the project, I can tap edit. Or here's a couple of things I can do. I can delete the movie. I can actually export it, or I can play it in full screen. Now that you're all set up, your timeline is waiting for your new movie creation.